What should I eat? Let me check it out. According to your condition, these two kinds of food are recommended. Fruit and vegetables enable you to poop easily. Fruit and yogurt salad. Watermelon. Grape. Pear. Grapes are rich in vitamins as well. Watermelon is sweet and juicy. It's your good friend in summer. Pear is refreshing and tasty. Slide to cut the ingredients. Lettuce enables you to poop easily, and it is also rich in vitamin C. A cup of yogurt a day keeps you healthy and fit. Juicy and sweet fruits will sweeten your smile. Mashed potatoes with corned beef. Delicious potato can give us energy. Slide to cut the ingredients. Steam the potatoes first. Let's mash the potatoes. Corn is indeed healthy food. Drag the scissor to slice the beef. Eating potatoes could refill your energy. Nutritious dish is ready. Let's serve them to your friends. I am full of energy. I love nutritious dish. Thank you, Mrs. Mimi and Guardian. Kids, let's begin our lesson. We have a new friend joining us today. He is the Health Guardian. He will recommend nutritious dishes that are delicious and healthy. I am the Health Guardian. Kids, let's learn about healthy diet together. Guardian, what should I eat? Leave this problem to me. You need to eat more fish and carrots. Fish and carrots can make you see clearly. Carrot and egg noodles. Let's leave the dough for a while and work on other ingredients first. Having eggs every day makes you healthier. The dough is ready. Let's start making noodles. Noodles are delicious and nutritious food. A big bite of carrot gives you a brighter sight. Fish steak. Drag the tap to defrost the fish steak with running water. Fish is very healthy food that's tender and yummy. Let's find out what kind of seasoning is needed for the fish steak. Drag the fish steak and coat it with flour. The fish steak is done. Let's move it on a plate. Heat up all the fish gives you clear sight even in the dark. Nutritious dish is ready. Let's serve them to your friends. So yummy! Guardian, what should I eat? Let me check it out. According to your condition, rice and meat are recommended. Rice and meat can provide you with strength. Steak. Beef can provide us with lots of energy. Let's make the steak sauce first. Then brush the sauce to make it tasty. Having eggs every day makes you healthier. Tap on the pan to turn the steak over. Tap on the pan to turn the steak over. Tap on the pan to turn the steak over. Eating beef protects the body against the bad bacteria. Pineapple rice. Cut the pineapple first. Rice could give us energy. Steam the pineapple rice. Eating rice, fruit, and vegetables enables you to gain strength. Nutritious dish is ready. Let's serve them to your friends. So delicious!